So I just want to show you what I got from Amazon, and it was this fantastic, it's for my iPhone Pro Max, and I decided to get this phone case for it, and it looks like a camera. I mean, isn't that cute? It actually resembles a camera, and you can see like the lens here. I really love the detailing, and it gives you the little cutout for your camera piece as well, and it actually comes with a little strap as well that you strap on as if you were strapping on a camera. So yeah, I can definitely put a link down below on this video for this camera case. I've seen it a couple of times, like Instagram ads and Facebook ads, and yeah, I decided to get one. So I'll definitely put a link down below for this. It came earlier than expected, so I'm really pleased about that, and I just wanted to share that with you. I'll be putting my phone in there and I'll show you. Let me do that, and then I'll show you what it looks like with the phone in. So I really like this camera. I hope that you checked out all of the features, but yeah, it's a great camera. I love the fact that you got this lovely strap and you can carry it around with you, and it actually looks like a real camera. Yeah, it's just great. I've seen a lot of this on Instagrams and also on Facebook ads. So yeah, really, you know, great, trendy camera case, sorry, phone case. See, I'm even saying camera case to be having. So yeah, I just thought I'd try it out. I'm liking it right now, and it looks really, I don't know, kind of vintagey camera look, so that's what I like. So yeah, now I want to showing you another product from Amazon. Okay, so this is one of the best bits. This is an item that was delivered yesterday, and I didn't have time to open it yesterday. So I'm going to open it now, and I got this from Amazon, and it is a lampshade, but a unique one, a different kind of one, so I want to show it to you. Oh God, it's coming up with loads of pieces. I hope this is easy to do. Okay, I wasn't expecting it to come like that. So I'm just going to get everything out of the box, and then we'll come back and I'll show you everything out of the box. Okay, so I've got this light, and as you can see, it's come in all these many parts. I didn't exactly think that it was going to come like this, actually. This kind of surprised me. So I got a tripod kind of legs. It looks like this. So this is going to be like the base of the light. I don't know whether you can see that close up. It's going to look like that. They actually give you a LED 6-watt light bulb as well. I was not expecting that to be in there. Came in a separate package, but thank you for the light bulb. They don't usually give you light bulbs. Okay, so let's do the simplest part, and I think the simplest part is the base. So it looks like this, and if you see these little flaps at the bottom, let's come down so you can see that. Okay, so at the bottom it's got these little flaps, and what you need to do is they've all got these holes need to all meet up in the center. So let's get them all in, and then we've got, oh, there's a screw here, there you go. So you've got the screw in the middle, and then you've got this kind of butterfly bolt here, and then we're gonna tighten it up so that it doesn't come loose. Okay, so that's how it looks. As you can see, that is all in position there. So that's how it looks, and then you've tightened it here at the bottom. So that's the only bit you need to do on the stand. Okay, so I've literally moved the stand out of the way, and then we are left with this. This is going to be your lampshade, and it obviously not what I was expecting, but you're literally going to have to do a DIY job, and you're going to have to make this lampshade yourself. So we've fixed the tripod. That was the base. Now we're going to have to get more complicated and do the lampshade. So I've never ever done this before. I was not expecting I was going to do this. I actually thought it was just going to turn up done, like you think any lampshade would be. Okay, so this is the material that we're playing with. It's actually got a lot of Velcro. So I'm hoping this is going to be easy. So here we go. Here is step number one. Is we're just going to unravel it, then we're going to make it into this kind of circle, then we're going to obviously use the Velcro to seal it, and then we're going to place one of the rings, and it's obviously this ring here, which is just the empty ring, and it's got again the material so it will stick. And then we're going to make the shape, and then we're going to put the one with the light fitting in, and then it's going to look like that. And then obviously maybe you need to tighten it. I don't know what that picture's for, number 9. And then we're going to then start putting it onto the tripod. Okay, so let's start. Let's start by doing stage number 1, which is making that shape, unraveling. It's bigger than I thought. It's, I think when you look at the picture, we need to come up a bit. This is literally bigger than I thought. This is how this is going to look. Okay, let's zoom out a little bit. Okay, there we go. Because this is not what I was thinking. It's obviously a lot bigger. Okay, and then okay, so whoa, I think this goes at the bottom. Yeah, this goes at the bottom. Okay. Very tricky to do it because it's sticking to the top unless I do it the other way. Okay, let's just stick. If you like DIY and you if you like doing it yourself things, I mean, it's not complicated because it's not drilling, it's not, but smooth it over like that. Okay, I'm going with this, and then we're going to need to put this in, and I'm going to see the way, yeah, so she's doing it, if you can see the way it is, it's kind of up position, so that's how I'm going to do it, in the up position. I'm hoping I've got all this right and I'm doing it the right way. I'm thinking it's going to be like that, okay? Judging from the pictures and what I'm seeing, if I'm wrong, then at least if you ever go to buy something like this, and I will put the link down below, because it is, although you have to do all this bit, it's worth it for the look of it, because it is a different kind of lampshade. Just making sure everything is solid. But when you do it, it does look nice, as you can see. Okay, so how I'm going to do it is I'm going to place this, if that, so maybe that goes like that to seal that in. Ah, watch your fingers when you do that, it's quite sharp. Okay, so that seals that in, so the lampshade is not going to move anywhere. Okay. So that is what it's going to look like in the corner on top of the sideboard. At the moment that's my hamster cage, and that's going to get moved to the other side over in that corner, but I'm still painting. So yeah, when the sideboard is up, then that will go there. But yeah, that's how it's going to look.